Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. This beginner-friendly guide focuses on the most critical first step, which is connecting your OpenAI account to n8n using an API key, which is the foundation for all AI workflow automation. So let's start with how to connect OpenAI to n8n. The process involves two main stages. First, getting your secure API key from OpenAI, and then creating a credential in n8n. So we have this first part for this. Get your OpenAI API key. You need an OpenAI account with a paid subscription, even a small preloaded amount for pay as you go, as API usage is billed by tokens, not a flat monthly fee like ChatGPT Plus. So in here, just go to the OpenAI platform. Just type in OpenAI platform right here in your favorite website and go ahead and log in or create an account. Secondly, access API keys. Once logged in, look for the API keys section. It might be under your profile icon in the top right or a dedicated menu item. Thirdly, create a new secret key. Click the button to create new secret key. Give your key a name, e.g. n8n workflow key for easy identification. Now also click create secret key right here. Go ahead and now copy and store the key. A crucial step here is that OpenAI will only show you this key once. Also, copy the entire key and paste it immediately into a secure location like a password manager or a secure note. This key is like a password to your OpenAI account. Now let's get to the second part where you need to create the credential in n8n. Now you'll securely store the API key in n8n so your workflows can use it. So in here, open n8n and go to credentials. In your n8n workflows, look for the credential section. Open a key-like icon in the left sidebar here. Click the plus, create new credential. Now go ahead and also select OpenAI. In the search bar, type in OpenAI and just select the OpenAI API option from the list. Now go ahead and enter the API key. A form will appear. Paste the secret API key you copied from the OpenAI platform into the field labeled API key. Now you need to save the credential. Give your credential a simple name, click save. If successful, n8n will store the key securely and is now connected to your OpenAI account. Part 3 is to use the connection in a workflow. Go ahead and create a new workflow. Start a new workflow in n8n, e.g. with a manual trigger node. Now also add the OpenAI node. Click the plus button to add a new node. Search for OpenAI and select the appropriate node, e.g. OpenAI chat model or the general OpenAI node. Just select your credential right in here. In the new OpenAI node settings panel, find the credential field. Click the drop down and select the credential you just created, e.g. OpenAI main key. You'll also need to furtherly configure your AI task. Choose a source, e.g. chat. Select a model, e.g. GPT 3.5 Turbo or GPT-4, and you will now need to just add your messages, that is the prompts, to define the task, e.g. a system role to set the AI's persona and a user role with the text you want it to process. You can now run your workflow and the OpenAI node will execute the AI task using your securely stored key. These are some of the common beginner workflows, which include summarizing text from a Google Sheet, generating content based on a webhook trigger, and thirdly, classifying customer emails received in Gmail. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.